Withdrawing money from your Google account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Open your web browser and go to the Google website. Click on the Sign In button and enter your credentials to access your Google account. Step 2. Navigate to Google Pay. Once signed in, locate and click on the Google Pay option from the list of services. This is where you can manage your transactions and account settings. Step 3. Access your balance. In Google Pay, find the Balance section. Here, you will see the amount of money available in your Google account that you wish to withdraw. Step 4. Select Withdraw option. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer to Bank option. Click on it to initiate the process of transferring funds to your bank account. Step 5. Enter bank details and confirm. Provide the necessary bank account information if prompted, including your account number and routing number. Review the details for accuracy and confirm the transaction to complete the withdrawal. After following these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Make sure to check your bank account for the transfer after a few business days.